everyone, and welcome to Capital Jeep. My name is Natasha, and today I'm going to be walking through this 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab in bright white. So we have your headlights and your running lights. Under the hood is a 5.7 liter V8 engine. It's currently sitting on 17-inch alloy wheels. We have your heated exterior mirrors. Opening up the door, we have our power exterior mirrors, windows and locks, some storage down below, your headlamp adjuster so you can set it on automatic, and then we have your cloth seating. It is manually adjusted, and then this lifts up into another seat just in case you have an extra passenger. Opening up the back, we have our windows, some storage, our back bench. This does lift up to in-floor storage. Coming around to the bed of our truck, we have a locking tailgate. We have trailer hitch and our hookups. And then this is the bed of our truck, so we have the same color bed. Coming along to the other side. And on your passenger side, storage, locks and windows, your manually adjusted seat, and the glove compartment. I'm going to grab the keys to show you the rest inside. Alright, so here's our key. We have our panic button, unlock, and lock. I'm just going to start it up here. On our steering wheel, we have our cruise control options as well as our scrolling, so we can scroll through here. We have our speedometer that we can change into miles per hour if needed. Our vehicle information, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, messages, screen setup, settings, and we'll go back to our speedometer here. It's currently sitting at 2,704 kilometers, so lots of life left, but if you want to make sure that you're fully covered, do speak to your financial advisor about purchasing any extended warranties. And then we have our radio options, so we have our radio AM, FM, we have our media, so aux, or our USB, our information, our presets, volume, we have climate control, and then we have our traction control off and tow/haul. And we also have our adjusters, so we have 4-wheel drive lock, 4-wheel drive low, and 2-wheel drive. Alright, so that's my video on this 2017 Ram 1500 ST in bright white. If you want to come check it out for yourself, we're at 1311 101st Street, Southwest Edmonton. Hope to see you soon at Capital Jeep.